Good morning. This is Avni, your tech host for today, and welcome to today's Tech News Bulletin, brought to you by IT Voice. Click the subscribe button to stay updated. WhatsApp to introduce third-party chats feature for compliance with European Messaging Interoperability Law. European Union's Digital Market Act targets tech giants to boost startup competition. DMA mandates dominant messaging apps with 45 million EU users to support messaging interoperability. WhatsApp aligning with DMA requirements. Apple resisting similar requirements for iMessage, citing insufficient European user base. EU investigating Apple's claim, focusing on usage statistics for verification. Chroma's 2023 iPhone Unboxed report reveals integrating trends in iPhone sales and consumer preferences in Indian cities. Delhi takes the top spot with a whopping 182% more iPhone sales than Mumbai, which is in the second place. Delhi's iPhone sales have steadily risen with a 47% increase from 2020 to 2021 and a remarkable 106% growth from 2021 to 2022. Mumbai saw a remarkable surge in iPhone sales in 2022 with a tenfold increase, securing its second position. Pune, Bangalore and Hyderabad follow Mumbai with growth percentages of 198% to 21% and 132% respectively from 2021 to 2022. Notably, cities like Surat, Baroda, Lucknow, Faridabad, Coimbatore, Indore, Nasik and Vizag also witnessed a significant upswing in iPhone sales. The report also highlights popular iPhone colors among consumers, with Starlight White leading for iPhone 13, followed by Midnight Black, Blue, Pink and Green. For iPhone 14, Blue and Midnight Black are the top choices, with Starlight White in the third place. iPhone 12 is favored in Blue, Midnight Black and lastly Starlight White. As for iPhone 11, Black takes the top spot among customers' color preferences, followed by white. Indian telecom firms including Reliance Jio, TCS and Tejas Networks anticipate rising product demand thanks to the US Strip and Replace program. The program aims to replace Chinese telecom equipment such as Huawei and ZTE in existing 4G networks. These Indian companies, along with smaller players like Lekha Wireless, Signal Chip, Astrom, Resonus and Big Cat Wireless, see an opportunity to export their telecom solutions to the US market. The technology sector partnership between India and the US is predicted to fuel demand for domestic telecom products. Logitech unveils LogitechReach Webcam. Logitech introduces LogitechReach, a versatile webcam aimed at improving remote meetings, online tutoring and live streams. The camera will undergo crowdfunding on Indiegogo Enterprise to refine its design and determine pricing. Pricing is expected to range between $299 and $399 based on a survey on Logitech's website. The camera is the 1080 pixel and 60 frame per second Logitech StreamCam and can be replaced with another StreamCam if needed. LogitechReach comes with a choice of a freestanding base or a desk clamp, with both bases sold separately. It operates as a plug-and-play USB camera with an articulating arm for flexible positioning similar to boom microphone stands. Smooth panning and stability set it apart from other articulating webcam mounts, making it suitable for remote work, streaming and blogging. Apple and Qualcomm extend their agreement for Apple to use Qualcomm's 5G modems for 3 more years, covering iPhone launches in 2024, 2025 and 2026. Speculations about Apple transitioning to its own 5G modem solution by 2025 had previously circulated. Apple is currently Qualcomm's largest client, significantly contributing to the chipmaker's revenue. Patent-related issues with Qualcomm, whose patents expire in 2029 and 2030, have arisen, prompting Apple to develop its 5G modem for integration into a series system on a chip for improved battery life and performance. Indian brand Wings Lifestyle launches the WingsMeta smartwatch following the release of the Wings Platinum model. The smartwatch features a square-shaped screen with a 2.5D curved glass panel and a 1.85-inch IPS LCD HD display. It offers over 100 customizable watch faces and supports Bluetooth calling functionality with a built-in microphone. dial pad, and the ability to store up to 10 contacts. Health monitoring sensors include heart rate tracking, SpO2 blood oxygen monitoring, menstrual cycle tracking, and support for over 100 sports modes. Additional features include IP68 water and dust resistance, up to 7 days of battery life, voice assistant support, 550 nits peak brightness, camera controls, and more. Sony launches the Bravia XR Master Series A95L OLED TVs in India in two display sizes, 65 inches and 55 inches. These flagship grade TVs are powered by the cognitive processor XR, promising an immersive viewing experience with realistic picture quality, vivid colors, and lifelike contrast. They feature 4K upscaling technology, support gaming with up to 4K resolution at 120 FPS, variable refresh rate, auto low latency mode, and auto HDR tone game mode. Optimized for the Sony PlayStation 5, they support IMAX enhanced content, HDR10, HLG, Dolby Vision, and Netflix calibration. The audio setup includes two 20-watt and two 10-watt speakers with acoustic surface Audio Plus technology. Voice assistants like Siri and OK Google are supported, along with popular streaming services such as Netflix and YouTube. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, Ethernet, HDMI 2.1 ports, and USB ports. This is Avni signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.
स्कैम 2003 जैसे हर्षद मेहता का स्कैम था। इस सीरीज के बारे में बात करते हैं जिसमें अब्दुल करीम तेलगी की पूरी ये सीरीज से हमें पता चलता है कि कैसे एक फ्रूट सेलर बना है इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा स्कैमर। उसने फ्रूट सेलिंग का काम बंद कर दिया और वो मुंबई चला गया। मुंबई में उसने ट्रैवल एजेंसी खोली और वो लोगों को कल भेजता था। ये चीज बहुत जल्दी पुलिस के सामने आ गई और उसे जेल में डाल दिया गया। उसकी वहां पे मुलाकात हुई राम रतन सोनी से। उसने आइडिया दी स्टैम्प पेपर के स्कैम के बारे में, बताया कि ये फैक्ट्री, आप इस फैक्ट्री को ले लोगे तो यहाँ पे आप इतने सारे प्रोडक्शन हाउस बना सकते हो। पूरे 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम कर दिया। ये 30,000 करोड़ का स्कैम है। जब ये सामने आया तो 2001 में इनको जेल हो गई। इनकी जेल होने के बाद 2017 तक ये जेल के अंदर थे, उनकी डेथ हो गई वहाँ पे और ये सीरीज बाहर आ गई। तो आपको भी कैसी लगी सीरीज जरूर कमेंट करके बताइएगा। और जिन लोगों को स्कैम 2003 के बारे में शॉर्ट में जानना है तो इस वीडियो इनके साथ जरूर शेयर करिएगा। मिलते हैं नए वीडियो के साथ। फॉलो IT शॉर्ट्स फॉर मोर।